Hey, welcome fans. This is Jeff Whitney, Duel at the Dogtrot. In the kitchen, in the studio. As I talked about last night in my last video, I'm going to give you, before I do the actual shooting, I'm going to give you an updated shot of how it looks now. I'm here with my compadres, and they had a rough night last night. So anyways, I'll be right back to you. My little work table. Old and faithful Mambo, and a new arrival who I believe is pregnant. That's Rosie. Listen to Tim Hicker, Raven Death, 1972. It's interesting sci-fi type music. I collect that for some of my music for the other part of my life. Here's my captain's chair. See? And it's not messy. It looks messy, but it's not. It's organized. This is all organized too. I've been having to move stuff around a bit. So this is Wolf, my oldest. My big wolf. And as you can see here, I've got the cameras, the lighting all set up, and I'm using this as a backup shelf to clear out stuff and stuff that needs to go into the shop. And I'm using this here so you basically will get a shot like that. I prefer to shoot on the Android V20 versus the iPad. iPad does not have a good mic system on it, but I'm just going to learn to live with it. Now I've semi-detailed all this out here. It's all cleaned out. And here too, the floor, that's all fresh oats. I always like to keep a layer of either coffee grounds or oats. It just helps in the movement of the floor. I'm boiling water now for hopefully my potato salad that I'll be doing. I'll be doing a ribs and potato salad. While I'm at it here, I might as well pull the ribs out. Now the outside needs to be cleaned on the refrigerator before the shot. I have the ribs up here. Oh, you can see I've got half dozen eggs. There's the ribs. There they are. Now I'll be cutting, washing them. I like to wash my meat. Just rinse it off. Peeling the membrane off that's on the back side here. All this white. I'll peel a good bit of that off. Let's just put this up here for safekeeping. Not that I wouldn't trust anybody, but put it up there for safekeeping right now. And here is the last jar. The last jar of it. We'll put this here to get it up close to room temperature. Right there. And now warm it up so that when I put it on, and let's see, I need some aluminum foil. Yes, I got that. And not that I'm running an ad or anything, but really, folks, when it comes to aluminum, nobody beats Reynolds. And just the thickness of it is much more durable than the cheap stuff that you can buy. By the way, I did get this at Piggly Wiggly, and I do all my shopping at Piggly Wiggly in Angie, Louisiana. But that's not an ad, that's just a plug, because I like them. And as you can see, I've got my toaster oven. Well, that's a very advanced toaster oven, and that needs to be detailed out too. And my 2 ovens that don't work, and they need to be detailed out. But hang on one second. As you can see, I have order now, and in this order now I will start my descent into shooting this. Get the picture, kind of. Anyways, I'm not nervous about this shot. I'm anxious, because it's my time now. So this is going to take a little break, and then I'll be back with you with a different view. And thank you much for watching Life at the Dogtrot. This is Jeff Whitney Duell, bidding you good afternoon.